example number 18, it says how many terms of the AP 43, 39, 35 and so on and so forth be taken so that their sum is 252. So what exactly it means that, see, the sum of these terms will be how much? 43 plus 39 plus 35. So some of the three terms will be something, right? You can add them up, you will know what is the amount coming up, right? But that is not 252. If you add them, you will not find 252 here. If you, what is the next term? 43 is there, the next is 39, it's decreasing in order, right? Next term will be what you will find, say something else, because it's decreasing by 4, so it will be 31, and it will be 27, like that. So if you add all those 3, 4, 5 terms, it will give you sum. The question is, how many terms of this should be added so that we get 252? That is a question. Now, how to solve this? What we can do is, we will write down the given it first. So what is A in it? So A is equal to 43. Very simple. What is D in it? You can calculate. That is A2 minus A1 or T2 minus T1, which is decreasing in this case. Is so 4. It is decreasing, right? So 39 minus 43 is minus 4 here. Remember, this has to be written properly, otherwise you will commit mistake. If it is minus, it has to be written as a minus, and if it is plus, it has to be written plus in it. So D is there given to you. Then is it given how many terms? We do not know how many terms are there. So we'll take it as, say, n. We do not know. So let that term be n, right? So which means that n term we do not know. So let nth term be sum up to the nth term is equal to 252. So it will be like this. So we do not know which term is it. So we say let, we can write it a let Sn term, right, is equal to 252. So that is what it means. Sum up to nth term, because we do not know n. So this is what we have now. With the help of this, we have to find the value of n in it. So how to find it out? So write the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 times A plus n minus 1 times D. This is the formula. So what is Sn? Sn is 252. I'll write it here. 252. N we do not know because we have to find it. C is not there. 2 times A. A is 43. You can write it. And okay, it's a plus here. N is we do not know. And D is how much? D is minus 4. So we need to solve it. So I can write this the other side because we are used to writing the number on the right other side, right side here. So n we can write it as n upon 2 times 2 into 43 is how much? 86 plus, okay, this is n into minus 4 is minus 4n, right? And minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4, and is equal to how much? 252. So I'm writing it like that. Now this 2 can come the other side because it's a common for the entire LHS, can go to the other side, right, and become what? So we'll get here n 86 minus, okay, I'll put plus 4 here, and minus 4n is equal to how much? 252 into 2 here. If I further solve, it will become n. Okay, there's no need to keep the bracket, a flower bracket here. We can use this one now. 86 plus 4 is 90 minus 4n is equal to, multiply 2 to the 4, right, and 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, 504. So now we'll move on right here. So n into 90 is what? 90n minus 4n square is equal to 504. Bring everything to the right side. It becomes what? Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So 4n square minus 90n plus, this is plus only, it remains the same side. 504 is equal to 0. I have moved everything to the right side. Has it not formed a quadratic equation? Yes, it has formed. Can we take something common? Yes, we can take some common. We can take 2 common out of it because we cannot take 4 here. Right, so we can take 2 common. It becomes here 2n square minus 45n plus 252 is equal to 0. Fine. So now we can't reduce it. This is the smallest possible that we have as a, sorry, reduce possible that we have an equation here. Now we can solve this. So see how to solve it here. I will write from here. 250 into 2 is how much? 504. So 504, we can factorize 504 to get what the middle term splitting here. So 504 is what? 252 into 2. This is 504 into 252 into 2 is this one. I wrote it here. 252 can be written as what? I can factorize that further. This is already done here. So I can write it as divided by 2, 126, 2 again 63, right? 3, it is 21, 3, 7. Is that okay? 20. Okay. So let's check what is, since it is a plus here, is a plus into plus is a plus, there should be sum of two numbers should be equal to how much? Minus 45. So 9, 3 3s are 9. Okay, we can take here, this is already 2 here, so I can put 2. 2 is already here. So 8 will not give you, and 7 3s are 21, and 3 8s are 24. Yeah, this is what will give you. This is 3 8s are 24, and this is 3 7s are 21. 24 plus 21 is 45, right? So I can use this. So it will be 2n square minus 24 n minus 21n plus 252 is equal to 0. So we can write it. Now we can take common. 2 and n is common. What is left? N minus 12, and here I can take minus 21. So it will be n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n minus 12 and 2n minus 21 both are equal to 0. So n is equal to 12, and n here will be equal to 2n is equal to 21, right? So n is equal to 21 upon 2, which is a fraction. It will give you decimal. So number of terms cannot be a decimal, it has to be a whole number. Sorry, it has to be a natural number. So this is what we will take here. So which means the 12th term, the sum up to the 12th term will give you 252. So what is answer? 12th term. So n was a question which term, so answer is 12th term. So TS12 will give you how much? 252, and that is an answer here.